sound of making money with a free and very unique opportunity makes your ears perk up. Please pay attention to the rest of this video. Wow, it's Marissa here. It has been such an insanely long time since I've made a video. I'm like, can I even make a video? Well, I'll let you know. This is like my 5th take of this video. So, there's that. Now look, if you're watching this, I truly appreciate you taking the time out of your day to click on this video and be like, oh my God, she uploaded a video. Let's see what the heck she's talking about. For those who've been asking, I'm back for now. As much as I know some of you would like a total rundown on what I've been up to, this is not the video where that's going to happen, because the incredible information in this video is for you. It's so incredible, I had to make this video. The opportunity that just literally fell into my lap last night was totally unexpected. I'm keeping this short and sweet because there's some urgency that is needed from you and I in order to extract the most earning potential out of the secret opportunity. I put secret in quotation marks because soon it won't be a secret. This can be done online, offline, or both. This won't affect anything else you're currently promoting. You're not going to be selling a product. You're not going to be delivering a service. You're not going to be buying anything. The opportunity itself is 100% free. This is something I'm just learning about. I don't know if it's going to stay this way. This is like the pre-launch of this thing. This is not a Ponzi. You get high ticket commissions helping people get free money. Again, nobody's buying anything. High ticket commissions helping people get free money. That I know sounds crazy. Click the link in the description of this video to get all the step-by-step instructions. Once you click the link below and enter your information in, you'll get taken to a page that has the webinar I watched September 22nd, 2022. As I'm recording this video, that was last night for me. And I've been scrambling to put all of this together, for you. The webinar that you'll see, it may seem long, but the details of the opportunity get shared pretty quickly within, the webinar. It's best you watch the whole thing. As the opportunity kind of gets revealed, it makes you want to keep watching the whole thing anyways. If you've watched my videos before and you've seen some of the affiliate programs I've been involved with, I can tell you, this is nothing like you've seen me do, and more than likely nothing you've come across yourself. I'll be honest, I sort of heard about this very simple way to make thousands of dollars from a friend about a month ago, but I thought it was way too good to be true. When he told me, I was like, that don't even sound right. I don't know about that. And, I wasn't able to really get all the details. I didn't understand what he was telling me. When I saw the webinar last night, I realized, it's 100% true and it's legit to do. I mean, I was like, wow, I can't believe this is an actual real thing. And the person in the webinar explaining, when you see, he was saying the same thing. He had heard a couple people doing this, but he was like, there's just no way that is even possible. Look, again, you can get high ticket commissions without ever buying a thing. Like I said, the opportunity itself. Everyone who can get it wants it. It's free to get. It is easy to give away. There's a corporate team backing it that has a lot of deep level experience scaling technology, teams, and people. There's a live training webinar I have to watch tonight. I'm trying to get down all of the facts, and it's actually it's going to happen about an hour or two. If you've clicked the link below and you've opted into that capture page, you'll get some emails from me, as I learn about this. But if you act now, you'll get the same information that I'm getting right now. You know what I'm saying? You'll be caught up to speed. I won't have to necessarily explain too much, but that's only if you act now. This is something that we'll be able to take advantage of for a limited time. And so what I mean by that is the person that I learned this information from, he kept kind of prepping it and he kept saying, hey, this is something that this is not going to last for forever. This is something we're going to be able to do for he said a year and a half to 2 years max. And when I heard it, I was like, okay, I've been in the online game for a little bit now. And, I know of some really cool ways to make money for free and really simple and stuff like that. But when he started saying this is not something that's going to last, I could not understand, I couldn't even think of what this was. And again, when I saw the webinar, I was like, okay, this is not the direction I thought that this was going to go. So like I said, I'm making this short because again, I want to watch the webinar and I want to get some things ironed out. I know I'm kind of being a little vague, but like I said, I want you to get to the webinar because they do a much better job of explaining everything than I'm going to right now. Later on, I probably will. But like I said, click the link in the description of this video to get the step-by-step instructions. You'll see the funnel right now. It's not like the best, but I'm sure it's going to get updated and stuff like that. This is just a really good opportunity. Anyways, hopefully you guys see some more videos from me soon. I don't know how long these videos will stay up here. I don't know. I'm still figuring some stuff out. Anyways, again, thank you for watching this video all the way through. And I'll talk to you later.